Hello everybody, today I am going to tell you how to make a parachute. So first we need a plastic sheet with the length of 10 by 10 inches, some pebbles, a bottle, a steel wire, a wrench, a plier and 4 strings with the length of 16 inches plus a punching machine. So first we start with by folding the plastic sheet into 4 halves. One like this, then the other like this. When you have done like this, then take the punching machine and punch a hole at the corner, leaving some space. Like now when you have fun, now open it. Now tie the ropes. Now tie four ropes at 4 corners of the plastic sheet. One, two, three, and one more. Tie three knots at different places. And again. One, two, and three. Then from here. One, two, and three. Then one more. One, two, and one more, three. Now when you have attached the strings, then join all the 4 strings at a same length. For checking this, you can put a weight in the middle. Then take one at the end, hold it, then this, and then this one. Now try to lift it. When it is keeping balance, then turn it so that the ropes become equal. After turning it, it would somewhat look like this. Then where the knot is stopping, put a knot there. like this. Now when you have put a knot over here, check it that it is balancing, it is equal. Now take out the weight and now make a hoop knot. For making a hoop knot, you need to first make a loop like this, then make another loop, first loop, then another loop. Take the second loop from inside the first loop, then hold the string and turn it like this. Hold it from here and stretch it. Now it is tight enough, but it is not too tight, so we need to put another knot from here, from this inside it and out. It would look somewhat like this. Then your parachute is ready. You can hang a weight over here if you have, or follow my instruction for the weight. Take the bottle and some pebbles. Put the pebbles in the bottle for adding weight. The more you increase the pebbles and the weight, the slowly the parachute will land and safely. Now when you have put, take the steel wire and do a hole in the cap of this bottle like this. Now after doing it, close it from the top with a plier. Fold it like this. Take it and bend it like an L, like this. Then take the cap up so it does not get removed. Like this. Then make a hook over here by folding it and inside like this. Now screw it to the bottle. Now take the parachute and hang it in the hoop, and now your parachute is ready. You can fly it from, you need to fly it from a height and not too close and not too far away from height too. For safe landing you can increase the weight.